Solo. Yeah, I bring the heat, watch me just slide on the beat. All of my enemies, they keep watching, they copy the G. Couldn't give a fuck about the low vibrations, only care about the money and the woman I lay with. They say I've been so far, but truly I'm working hard. Healing ain't overnight, I'm speeding and moving fast. Riding the wings of angels and demons, I see deeper than the meaning. This type of rap will have them all taking notes and then repeating. I say no time for weakness, I'm making them all cease. Opening their eyes to the wave, cause they can't see shit. Smothered in the truth like chocolate dripping from fountains. The light-skinned Jesus just climbed up the biggest mountain. Searching for God, they must be worse than the odds. Speaking with the devil, dealing, not taking a loss. Light in the heart and dark in the mind. Swing the balance forever and still they won't find me. Me, I'm on top of this shit, you're just running your lips. Me, I'm fully equipped, they be on dubious shit. I am not the one you wanna play games with, prick. Put you in a box like my ex, I'm never saying sorry. Lions, we just seek for nights and wake up under the sun. Antelope, steady graze, but lions, we pray and hunt. Too many people lied on my name, it must be fun. But when the karma came around, they keep burning under the sun. Nothing new under the sun, there's nothing new to your game. Chess moves with the best, I promise we ain't the same. The cobra strikes for the neck and makes you fall into check. The haters we just neglect, cause they can never respect. The time is now for truth and liars, they just cannot play. Something came with the truth, and now they don't know what to say. Ay, why would I hold back when I came to give you everything? Don't be tricked by these hoes, they need a wedding ring. Bells ring a link for the king, the lion of Judah. Pussy can't even look me in my face like Medusa. That's Leo Tef, leave them all in the rain for disrespect. Yes, I've been the best, there's no need to suspect anything different. The wizard has the magic, leave you slizzard for real. Yeah, it's magic. Too many people like to talk about the life they wanna live, but never really live the true life, so they never get the gift. I'ma tell them how it really goes, you gotta know this shit. I'ma be the one that's closest to the God upon this shit. Wait, I see it, it's coming. They never stop me cause they frontin'. Liars, they bluffing. I swear to God there ain't nothing in the discussion. They hiding under the bed from all of the words I said. Cause if they had the truth in them, they would live it. They would understand and they get it. Really, I'm cool and I'm chillin'. They think